Good morning all cool creators, and today very briefly I'll tell you how to make some cool fire effects for your awesome video. Of course, the best way, you can buy some special stunt gel for the fire, and it's quite safe. Also, it quite a lot of different techniques for make different kind of fire effects, and also special clothes and so on. And if you have a budget for it, much better for let to do it for the professionals. But still, you can do something quite safe at home. And compared to the visual effects, so video effects, what will cost a lot of time and tons of money, it always not look that real and good when you do the special effects. For that we will need just a gas for fill the lighter. Basically you can use same like for the cooking, but some of the lighter filling we have a liquid, not a gas. Well, you still can use it for some fire effect, let's say on a background or whatever, but basically you need quite a lot and it's burned quite quickly, so not really convenient. I think much better if you use just oil, like a palm oil. Just put on some fabric or use the same like a candle technique, but it will be a lot of smoke and make all of the decorations and everything quite dirty. Basically same what you can see from here. And also what I just showed before, we need the water and we need the shower gel. But we need a shower gel what make quite good and stable bubbles. So if bubbles break up quite easily, well, it will be not easy to hold the gas inside. And you see the bubbles hold the gas inside. Basically what we are born with. Simple and safe. But well, if you try to do it by yourself, it will be quite difficult, so probably you need at least a couple assistants to do so. And we press really gently to make bubbles small and not break. So you need to test if your shower gel is good enough for that, and so on. Quite easy. Well, if you like the video, later on I will show you more cool stuff what you can use for your action, maybe not really action video. Yeah, if you don't like the video, don't comment and don't share it, don't subscribe it, don't like it if you do. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you soon.